Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to remove pin lock on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll down to password and security. So here is the password and security, just click on it. After you have been click on it, here you can see this is the screen lock, so you have to click on this screen lock. Okay, after you have been click on it, you have to confirm the password what you have been set before. Okay, just confirm it and click on next. Here is the next, click on it. Then if you want to remove, on the down you can see turn off screen lock in red color. Okay, you just need to click on it and click on okay. Here the password has been removed. Any password you can remove it, like the fingerprint lock, face lock, pattern, pin, any password. You just click on turn off screen lock. Okay, and it will be removed. And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.